is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day. It is a day that we're all gathering in regards to my shirt. My shirt basically says I stand with Armenia. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen many posts regarding the current events that are occurring overseas in Armenia against a country called Azerbaijan, which is fighting over territory that is Armenian occupied. Territorially, it's Azerbaijan land. Occupancy has been Armenian land for years and years and years to come. They're fighting over that land, obviously, as you guys know through my multiple posts, and we have gathered with BH2 events, which is right over here, and they organize massive events for car enthusiasts to take drives all around Southern California, as you guys have seen multiple times on our channel. If you guys are not subscribers of the channel, make sure you subscribe. You're going to see a lot of car content around this cause. Just this event itself has raised $12,000 from all of these beautiful cars you guys see all around us here today. So it's a very organized event. You have cars from all over SoCal. Every car here contributed a pretty decent amount of money to be here and raise money for a greater cause, which I just talked about. So I'm out here representing obviously the entire channel, all of my loyal subscribers and supporters, and I want to thank everybody who has personally donated to the giveaway that I have on my part, partnered with BD Wheels. We're giving away 3 sets of wheels for any car, any design of your choice, announced on November 6th. All it takes is $10 to enter the raffle. $10 gets you 1 entry, and that 1 entry is good for all 3 sets of wheels. So you donate $50, you get 5 entries, and those 5 entries are good for all 3 sets of wheels. So essentially you get 15 different entries to win wheels. We're going to go on a drive from Glendale, which is a heavily populated area in Los Angeles, and we are driving out towards Orange County in Newport Beach area. So we're going to congregate, we're going to drive, we're going to enjoy the company of great cars, great people, and most importantly, a greater cause that we are all very proud of and hold near and dear to our hearts. So stay tuned. Going to give you guys some action of the cars, get you guys some good b-roll, and we'll be on our way. Stay tuned. What up, buddy? So a fun fact for all of you before I go blind with my flashlight, the SVJ actually holds the fastest lap time at Nürburgring. Fun fact, it's like a 6:46, and to put that in perspective, what this car did to the GT2 RS was make it a basically. What the GT2 RS did to the Viper ACR was make that a so the ACR was at a 7:01, this is at like a 6:46. So, you know, put that in perspective, 15 seconds is a huge margin, and that's where this is at, so pretty incredible. This is, bam, there he is, the man himself.
Yeah,
that's Doug.
This way anymore.
Yeah, it's gonna get a nice wrap. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet because you'll see it in the vlog soon. But look at this puppy. What year is this?
2011.
2011 Alpina. So this is the Superleggera Gallardo, which is the bigger brother to my car, the non-Superleggera Gallardo. Mine's the 550. This is considered a 570 by 4 all-wheel drive, of course. It has a different tailpipe. So my diffuser on my car is carbon fiber, this one is not. So this is a Superleggera, doesn't have the carbon fiber rear diffuser on it. Might be carbon, but it's just painted. It looks like it's plastic dipped or something, maybe not. But yeah, it's same side skirts as my car. The mirrors are carbon, mine are not, and it has a suede dash. The interior is all carbon. You guys see the trim, it's all carbon, obviously, as you guys can see. Wow. And even the door panel is carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can see it, but even the door panel is carbon. There it is. Wing. trunk. Yeah, so my car will look like this in about 3 weeks or so, with a new wrap, of course. Now that's a lot of dismissed tickets. That's what the sound of dismissed tickets sound like. So if you guys are wondering who that is, you guys already know dismissers. The one and only. Make sure you guys call them for all your ticket needs. I like my new Amazon light. You blind yet?
Yeah, that's blind.
Yeah.
I feel like I got pulled over.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo. We gotta go. We gotta go. Yes. Even though I just beat them. But if I got a ticket, they would have taken care of the ticket. What do you think, Chris?
Fantastic stuff here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think they raised awareness on the freeway?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
This is my natural habitat here. I love this shit.
How was your car running today?
I got here late, as you can tell. I got here pretty late. I missed
That's
everything.
Right. But you got big plans for that car soon.
Yeah.
Can we tell the channel?
It's gonna get faster.
Will you be able to gap me?
No. I don't know about that one. I don't know if you guys, do they know what's going on with yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't stand a chance. I don't stand it.
And you cut your hair too. That's very nice of you to do. Oh yeah, it looks good, bro. All right, we're out of here. Hey Noel, how was your drive-in?
Pretty good, no complaints.
You guys remember him at the M2. So today he got to ride in my car. Last time I was in his car.
First time.
His first time in the ACR. Did you enjoy it?
It's not even fair, man. It's not even fair.
Who do we take to Gapplebee's today?
Got what? A Ventador.
3 times.
There, Diablo.
The F-Type. Yeah.
Basically a house full of...
What up, what up? How are you, brother?
What's up, bro?
How are you, man? Congrats, man.
Thank you.
You snapped the Rari too?
Yeah.
What a guy, man.
Rari's by him. We're selling
sick.
it. Though.
Are you?
Yeah, we're here.
You don't need 2 of them. Yeah. This is the Car Biz. This is his new McLaren 720S.
Yeah, I haven't seen YouTube in months, so you got here.
But he's on Instagram. The Car Biz. You guys. See you. Damn, what a color.
That was a rare color.
That is. Never seen it before.
Paris blue.
What's it called?
Paris blue.
Harris?
I'll see you, bro.
Later, brother. So we got sidetracked there for half a second. We were talking about Gapplebee's.
We take the Gapplebee's. We got
Wow, that's a nice one. We just got distracted again.
720.
720 heaven. Back to the story.
Yeah, what do we take? Smorgasbord Lambos. Literally. Take your pick of Lambos.
Yeah.
What's that? F-Type.
F-Type, which had actually 675, 680 wheel horsepower. Stage 3 supercharger. Obviously a modded exhaust, as you guys heard in the garage here. That thing was fast. Yeah, I ran out of nitrous on that run. We found that out afterwards because we hit the purge button and it was air blown out. But we still won the race. And so the reason he jumped, obviously, it's supercharged. And yeah. Vlog camera here, buddy. Put that away. Listen, you were talking about getting one to drop for yourself. Drop the gun. So he's obviously supercharged. It has 675 wheel horsepower. That's why he got the jump immediately, get instant torque. And then he told me we passed them pretty hard at about 140, which I believe. By the time we picked the momentum, we got the good old V10 kicked in, and the 8.4 liters started pumping that oil. America stood strong with Armenia. So with that, guys, we're gonna wrap it up. People are heading out. It's already late. It's probably like, I don't know, about 11:15, 11:30. Way off. Almost 11. We're gonna head back home, call it a wrap. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, we have a giveaway for BD wheels. We got a giveaway with BD wheels. We're gonna give away 3 sets of wheels. At this point, if you're still watching, please make sure you're a subscriber. Go check out my Instagram. You guys will see the giveaway. The raffle goes off on November 6th. Let's try that again. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And you have a chance. Come here. You're gonna. Yeah.
Here.
Do the outro for us, Dan.
No, there you go. Take
Okay,
it.
cool.
Take over. Okay. Welcome to the more attractive side of the vlog. This is Drew. My name is Will. Andre's gonna put Drew's handle somewhere on page so you can follow her. I took over last time and I told you guys why you should make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now it's my turn to tell you why you should follow Drew on Instagram. Drew's at 8,100 followers, right? And she needs to get to 10,000 so she could start asking for free stuff. So make sure you follow Drew. She has amazing car content. She's always at all these shows. The next up-and-coming influencer in the car space comes from Michigan, right? That's right. And she's here in LA. She's good friends of Dre and I. Also, your boy Bilko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel too. I'm turboing a Roush so that I can beat this other American muscle car over there in the corner with the neon highlighter Crayola sponsored wrap he's got going on. Anyway, back to the Dre. Thank you.
All right, guys, so the last attempt at the outro got taken over by Mr. William Bilko. Awesome guy, so make sure you guys check his channel out. He makes some really cool edits with some really cool cars and a lot of models that I'm sure a lot of you guys like to see mixed into the car world, obviously. So I was talking about the giveaway that we're doing. All it takes is a $10 donation, of which BD Wheels will be matching your donation. There is no cap to how much money you want to donate. They will match every dollar that you put in. Each entry is $10. So if you put in 5 entries, $50, you have a chance, you have 15 chances to win, because they're giving away 3 sets of wheels, 3 sets. So if you don't win the first time, times 5, you have the second and third time, also times 5. So take that into account when you make your donations. Of course, my voice crack, a vlog isn't complete without a voice crack, so that's where it is. All you have to do is Venmo me. It's suited_racer, not dot. Suited_racer is my Venmo. Please make sure you guys donate. A chance to win some wheels. The announcement goes live on November 6th. I will personally DM you if you are the winner. And it will be on a live stream, so you guys can see how it's picked at random. And there is no bias or no favoritism to it. So the more you buy, the more chances you have to win, literally. I thank you guys for all your support. As you guys can see, I'm wearing my shirt that says I stand with Armenia. As you guys saw, this event was well coordinated with over 100 cars, really showing their support for Armenia. What really stands out to me is all of the non-Armenians and other ethnic groups that have rallied together for a cause that they know is right. I think it's very known and public to everybody, minus 2 countries, that artsakh is actually land in Armenia and belongs to the Armenian people. So every dollar that you donate goes to a good cause. All of it goes to a non-profit foundation that is accredited in Armenia. So please make sure you guys keep us top of mind for your donations. Every dollar you put is matched. And good luck with the wheels. As you guys know, my Lamborghini has the same wheels on it. If you don't like my style rims, that's totally fine. There are plenty to choose from that'll suit your style. So make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, and share with your friends. I really appreciate all that you guys do to support the channel, to support Armenia, and put the fuel in the gas tank of this puppy to keep us going and take people to Applebee's. So with that, do the outro, man.
That's the outro.
That's it. See you guys later.